Now, we're going to create a simple Python program that simulates rolling a dice. This program will allow us to roll a 6-sided dice and see the result. Let's dive into the code. We are going to import random module to generate random numbers. Let us create a function called roll_dice. And set minimum value of the dice to variable min_val. And set maximum value to the variable max_val. Now let us print the random integer between 1 and 6 using randint function from random module. Random.randint. We pass min_val and max_val as parameters. Now, let us call the above function roll_dice. Save it. Execute the program. You can see the result is 6. Re-execute and it is 4 now. Again, it is 3 now. But, see, it is not a good idea to execute it from the start. Instead we can write a while loop. So, declare a variable roll_again and set it to true. While roll_again. Generate the randint. Now, let us take the input from the user, if he wants roll again. Let us compare this with yes. So, if user enter yes, this returns true, otherwise false. Assign this to roll_again variable. Now, let us also add a print message goodbye if user says no. Let us execute the program and see. It is 6 now and prompts for user input and we enter yes. You can try multiple times. See what happens when we enter no. But there is a problem if we enter yes with capital Y. It exits loop and prints goodbye. So, let us add function lower to avoid this problem. So, it converts the user input to lowercase to compare with yes. See, it works.